Well, hey guys, guess what? Guess what this is? Yeah, see, I've played. See, look, I've played lots of FNAF games before, but this is the only one that I haven't. I'll try to leave the link of this download in the description. I did not get it off Scott Cawthon's website because obviously it probably costed money, so I got it from somewhere else. I'll leave the link in the description. See, I've already done a little bit on it, but not too much. This is like a boss fight. I know it isn't, though. But these guys are kind of hard. See, I am pretty good at this game. I like the Phantoms. Phantom Bonnie is my favorite character in this game. We'll use our other team. How come this guy has so much? Okay, never mind. That's our other team that we have.
So we played every single FNAF game.
Except this one. Well, now it's just 50 coins. Okay, that was pretty good. And I'll show you how good we are. See, we're working our way to
Phantom Angle's on my team.
We're working our way up to Phantom Chica, Balloon Boy, and what is this guy? Phantom Bonnie. Just save my game. I didn't want to make you look for the loading, and I'll show you the bites, my chips. You see?
Let's show that.
Just
show them my team, alright, please.
Just. It's another day back chilling, trying to defeat weirdos.
This is my team, by the way. Pretty good. Actually,
not as good as mine because I hoarded all the good things. I hoarded all the good things for myself. No offense.
Yeah, I got Phantom Evie. It took like so long to defeat him.
We have Phantom. Phantom, you know. We have a Phantom, whatever you call it. Oh, wait, I didn't know there was a Freddy up there.
Mace, wait.
Yeah, oh, there's a chip. Yeah, I know all this.
Click done.
Why? What happens?
It'll give you a secret thing.
No, I don't want to. Oh, wait, never mind that. We have a nice boss to fight because I obviously got past him. Defeating machine gun snowmans. Oh. How hard are these dumbos? I've already defeated a few versions of the auto chipper, but I haven't defeated Chipper's Revenge yet. I've used all these the Grim Reaper and Bee things. Sorry about that. Pretty good. Close the door. I don't know if we're about ready to you know, I'm gonna go for it. Oh yeah, we're ready for this. Yeah, we're definitely ready for this. We're defeating the snowman with machine guns today in this video. Nope. Loom song, not working. Peace wheel.
Yeah, this is a pretty good game.
Really good at it. Really good at it.
Whoa, dead.
No, I'm not. As soon as I get Chica, I'm okay again. You know, look, I just regen myself. Cupcakes. I like cupcakes. Cupcakes is my favorite move that we have. Toxic bite. Yeah. Dang it. Dang it. Maybe we weren't ready for this. Oh, I haven't been using my my Phantom Freddy. Cupcake! Yes! That was close.
Pizza Wheel. We have Pizza Wheel 2 on the yellow team. Pizza Wheel
I'm switching teams. Yeah.
Pizza wheel 2.
Yeah. This is not going like amazing, but it's going okay. It's going okay. That's all I have to say.
Pizza wheel 2 over.
Get him out of here. Get him out of here.
Yes! We beat him! We beat him! Yay!
Shh. Ooh, there's a cave. There's a cave. And there's a Ferris wheel. A Ferris wheel. Oh, I hate these guys. These are kind of hard. Oh, I unscrewed a guy. That's okay. Theme song. Cupcake.
One time we unscrewed Nightmare with
we unscrewed Nightmare Foxy.
Withered Foxy.
Wizard Foxy, yeah, that's it.
You're at 6 minutes. So actually you should keep this going until 10 minutes.
Yeah,
Say
okay.
goodbye, so make it exactly 10 minutes.
No, we can put these together, you know?
Oh yeah. So this one exactly 10 minutes, and the next one exactly 5 minutes.
Yeah, that's fine.
That information.
Ooh, down into the mines. This is a little creepy. Why am I here? This is weird. And I have metal mans. And I think I need to unlock more characters before I'm down here. Sorry about the whispering in the background, but my mic blocks are out all sound, so I don't think you'll be hearing this.
What did jump scare even do?
It makes them not be able to attack. Where's my mouse? Dang it! Dang it!
He dropped his mouse.
And screw you. Screw you, I mean. Screw you. Everybody hates you. The thing is, we're not failing, but they aren't failing either. Gloom song.
This guy is better than me.
I'm putting down every...
Snowman.
Well, I'm putting down all their power, so they can't really do anything to me, Brody. I'm using every heal move I can. Now I need to get rid of their defense. Oh, they have minus defense and minus power. Like, what? And I use jump scare. Jump scare's a really good move. I like it. My favorite person that I have so far is Phantom Foxy. The Phantom Foxy crew is like real good. The Phantom crew is good. What I meant to say. More Gloom song. Minus power.
Oh yeah.
Dead.
Dead with his friend. Should we end this part of the video here and do the second part?
No.
Challenge. Withered Foxy.
I thought we already had Wither Foxy.
No, we have Phantom Foxy.
Oh yeah. I mean, friends against friends in this battle. Seriously, why are we fighting each other? We're both
Foxies.
We're both Foxies here.
Fighting
We're both Foxies here. That's all I have to say.
There's a Phantom Foxy and a Withered Foxy. The Foxies don't gotta fight.
Yeah, look, we're all animatronics here. That's all that matters.
Yeah, there's 4 animatronics.
Well, that's all that matters.
Yeah, Freddy, Chica, Phantom Freddy, and Foxy, and Withered Foxy are all animatronics. So they don't need to fight each other.
Anyway, that's about all we have time in this video. We'll connect 2 videos together, so this video isn't actually ending. But
so why are we saying goodbye?
okay, no goodbye, but kind of.